Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate stunning Dracthyr art landscape images. Using artificial intelligence, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off by opening up your Chrome browser. Type Styler AI into the search bar and hit enter to begin our journey. Once on the Styler AI website, locate and click on the new project. Choose Landscape Canvas. Now it's time to let your imagination run wild. Use the provided text box to describe the adorable cartoon boy portrait you want to create. A close-up of a woman with horns and a demon face, blue tiefling. Tiefling, demon girl, portrait of demon girl, cosmic tiefling D and D, tiefling from D and D. Girl design lush horns. DN portrait of a tiefling, painted in the style arcane. Demon anim girl, portrait of a female. Demon, Oni horns. Now choose a style. Click black and white tattoo. Take a moment to admire the cuteness overload. Review the generated image and make any tweaks or adjustments to perfect your Dracthyr art. Once you're satisfied with the result, select all the images and click on the Place on Canvas. Select all the images and click on the Export button to save your adorable creation. Finally, download your masterpiece to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a breathtaking Dracthyr art landscape image using AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.